In this video I will show you some of the new features for Agility Writer in this 2025 because it's been a while without talking about it. As you may know, it's one of my favorite AI writing tools, but Agility Writer is becoming more and more a complete SEO tool. It will be a short video, I just want to let you know about all these new interesting things here. So, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and remember you can find the link in the description for Agility Writer with a special discount code. You can use my discount code for each one of these plans here, but remember you can also try Agility Writer for just $1 by clicking on this button. Again, click on the link in the description if you never tried Agility Writer, but I suppose you already know it and want to see some of the interesting things here. Let's start very quickly from January 9, because again, in this 2025 I never talked about Agility Writer. New infographic creator. This is pretty cool because they are able now to generate really great infographics, and these are just some examples of infographics you can generate. Now, as you can see here in this menu, you have infographic creator, so here is where you create them, but remember, it's always AI, and as you can see here, if you require perfection in the output, this feature may not meet your expectations. Maybe you need to try more than one time, but this is what you can achieve with this infographic new tool. They released an X and LinkedIn integration in January and also Claude 3.5, but now they also have Claude 4, I will show you in a moment, and again DeepSeek version 3. In February they released the new press release news article templates, where you choose your template. You can now generate this kind of articles if you need them. Here is an example of an article using O3 Mini. You have now pretty much all the AI models in Agility Writer. New AI model, OpenAI O3 Mini. Monthly plans now also receive double tokens for free. You can generate website pages with quality upgrades now. They also released in February a new SEO NLP friendly writing style. This is pretty useful if you want to focus on SEO. And again, you have an example here. If you want, you can go on their site, click on these examples and take a look if you like them. And Google Gemini Flash 2.0. Here is where things get really interesting. A new audit and optimization feature. This new feature is called G-Smart Optimizer, and it's one of the coolest things you can find now in Agility Writer. Designed to refine and improve your content based on Google helpful content and search quality guidelines. You can get an audit, you can automate content audit and optimization with enhanced mode, extensive mode, improve EEAT, and this is an example of the page you can get with this new tool. This is something you usually find in professional SEO tools. Now it's in Agility Writer, and it's here under this repurpose improve menu here in Agility Writer dashboard. Here it is. You obviously need to complete all these fields. An update for G-Smart was released in February with some improvements. Claude 3.7 Sonnet available. Again, an improvement for G-Smart Optimizer with the new research mode. You can do a standard research or in-depth research with citations and information gain to make your articles better than your competitors. Obviously, that's the goal. In March, they included also new GPT 4.5 AI model with human-like content. Plenty of AI models to choose here. Pretty much everything you need depending on what kind of article or page you need to generate. Again in March, WordPress publishing enhancement with auto-assign categories and the new Agility Writer plugin. Many updates in April with the Grok integration, with DeepSeek AI model updates, with the new update for the plugin, and here again a G-Smart Optimizer enhancement. You can take a look by yourself, but there are many interesting things here. Quick update for April again, new AI models, GPT 4.1 and GPT 4.1 mini. They made an improvement for AI images and infographic in April with the new GPT image model with better style differentiation, 2 per more images per credits. This is an example, but also this infographic, as you can see, it's almost perfect. This is another image, very realistic. And in May, the Google Search Console Action Center, it's a command hub for Google Search Console data, but with insights and direct generation capabilities. This is one of the most interesting new features here. You get performance reports, missing query helper, integrated content generation, and other things coming soon, content opportunity finder. So imagine you can get Google Search Console but enhanced with some kind of automation in Agility Writer, so you will be able to automatically write about the opportunity keywords you find in Google Search Console, all into this tool. Here is the link with all the documentation for Google Search Console Action Center. This is really cool. And it's here under this menu. You have a performance report or missing queries helper. And the latest one is from May 23rd. Claude for Sonnet now is another AI model you can use in Agility Writer. You have many tools here: one-click mode article, advanced mode article, optimize mode article, the product roundup, the website page. You have different improving tools, the G-Smart Optimizer, the content refiner, the rewrite article, YouTube to article. You can write in bulk. You have the Google Search Console section here. Many tools like entity extraction, infographic creator, outline builder, EEAT bio generator, or the topical map helper. I already showed you this one in one of my old videos. And remember, you can integrate with your site, your WordPress, blog, and so on. Very interesting features in this 2025 for SEO writing AI, top-level AI writing tool, and SEO tool, because again, many things you can usually do on your professional SEO tools, costly professional SEO tools, now you can also do it here in Agility Writer. If you never tried out, you can try it for just $1, or if you want something more, in the description you can find my link with a special discount code. You can use it on one of these plans and try it out by yourself. Okay, so this was just a quick update for Agility Writer. I hope you liked it, and if so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want, you can click here and take a look at my oldest videos about Agility Writer. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.